today is a very special day here this Friday. I have to go with Tessa, Imogen, Monique, and of course Adrian, Dom, and Kate and Zach, of course, for my birthday celebration for the Bolorama, which will be very exciting. We might shout at each other an ice cream, of course, at the end of it, if we're on our very best behaviour. If I want to shout, if Tessa wants to, that's fine if we're all on our best behaviour, because I'm about to be the best birthday ever be. But I'm actually doing this to end my birthday celebrations since June 2nd. All day, I've been looking forward to all this bowling, yes, of course, this bowling event all afternoon, except we had to postpone it because there was going to be nothing I could do on my day, the birthday, that I'm telling you that this is going to be the biggest, the second best bowling event I've done on after my birthday.
Hey, Timmy's just saw a Lamborghini going onto the tow truck. This is the birthday present I've ever wanted.
We have a birthday guy. He likes this birthday present.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm sad my Lamborghini present's going to the panel shop. And now, I'm not going to get it today, so bad luck for me. Watch this. This is going to be fun.
Let's go, Nicholas. Woo! Well done. Next time.
I'll win.
Let's go, Nicholas. Let's go. I just make some video. Good, well done, well done. I just make video guys around for you, okay? Ready? Do you see next? Guys. Happy Nicholas. Very happy winner. Birthday guy.
Well, we're going back to Maranga, but we didn't want the bowling trip to end very early, except I want to thank Tariana for being smartly dressed for that matter. Oh, sorry, Tessa, I was looking at the wrong person. She deserved to be dressed. Alright, I'm going to head back to Kandala, so I'll catch you another time on the Nicholas Smith YouTube channel.